Hello students, welcome again. Today I am going to discuss about second main of the exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 second main. In previous class I discussed about the first main of exercise 4.2 where you studied how to separate the variable, how to find the solution of the equation by separating the variable. How you are going to separate a variable? Okay, by adding or subtracting whatever term is along with that variable. No, you have to add or subtract the exact opposite of that. Okay, then you can separate the variable, thereby you can get the solution of the equation. Now the heading of the second main is give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. The second main is also very similar to the first main only, but here the questions are quite different from the first main. First I will show you 4-5 examples. I will solve on the board, thereby remaining I will give it as a homework. So I will read the heading once again for you. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable. You need to write what step you are going to take to separate the variable. First you need to write that step and then solve the equation. Then you have to apply that step, you have to implement that step, and thereby you have to calculate the solution of the equation. Okay. Second main, first question. Question A, 3L equal to 42. Do you accept that is it a equation or not? It is an equation. L is a variable here, 3L is a LHS, 42 is a RHS, and equality sign, equal sign is there in between LHS and RHS, therefore it is an equation. Now you need to find a number. If you substitute that number in place of L, you must get LHS equal to RHS. That number is known as the solution of the equation. Okay. So if I get L, then indirectly I am calculating the solution of the equation. Therefore I need to separate this variable, means I need to separate that variable L. To separate that, whatever number along with its operation is there, no, I need to separate it. ಈ ಎಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ ಜೋಡಿ 3 ಏನದಲ್ಲ 3ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 3 ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್, ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? 3L ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್? ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ, 3L, 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಲ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 3 ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ you are going to take is to separate the variable, I need to divide both sides by 3. Solution, divide why I am dividing the both sides by 3? Because I want to remove that 3. And how this 3 is connected with the L? This 3 is multiplied to L. Therefore, what is the reverse of multiplication? Division. Therefore, I am dividing. Remember it. Okay. If I add 3 or subtract 3 here, there will be no difference at all. There will be no difference at all. But if I use the exact opposite operation, because here multiplication is there, I must use division. If division is there, then I need to use a multiplication to remove the numbers which are associated with a variable. Thereby I am going to separate the variable. So divide both sides by 3. 3l is equal to 42. Divide both sides by 3. Why I am dividing the RHS by 3? Because to maintain the equality sign. If I divide the LHS, only LHS by 3 and I left this RHS as it is, then it is not called as equation. It will lose the equilibrium. ಅವಾಗ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್, ಎಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ you have to do with the RHS also. Okay, so 3l by 3, both 3 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 ones are here, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 remains, 12 by 2, 3 4s are 12. So 1 ಆದಮೇಲೆ no need to write, no, directly l 1 we don't mention, so 14, l equal to 14. Now I successfully separated the variable, and l equal to 14, 1 4 is the solution of the equation 3l equal to 42. It means that if you put l equal to 14 in place of l, if you take 14 3 is how much? 42, no? 42 LHS equal to RHS, therefore l equal to 14 is the solution of the equation. Okay, this is the way, or this is the method to calculate the solution of the equation by separating the variable. B question. B by 2 equal to 6. B by 2 equal to 6. Now it is a simple equation. LHS, RHS, one variable, that variable is B. Now I need to separate this b. b ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅದ, ಬಿ ಜೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದ, 2 ಅದ. ಯಾವ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅದ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅದ. b by 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ಈ 2ನ ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ 2 - 2 ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, multiply both sides by 2. B by 2. Now you need to multiply both sides by 2 into 2 into 2. If you do the same operation and same number on both sides, then only this equality remains. Otherwise equal sign will be removed with the inequality sign, and therefore you can't call it as a equation. So equation ಆಗೇ ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು RHS. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಟು 2 means what? 2 by 1. You can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 means what? 2 by 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. B remains single, no? Now you successfully separated the B from the remaining numbers. So B into 1, B, 1 into 1, 1. B by 1 is nothing but a B only. Here 6 into 2, 12. So you got the solution of the equation, that is B is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. You can try, you can confirm whether your answer is right or wrong by replacing the B with the 12. Just replace B with the 12. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 will give you what? 6, no? 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 6. LHS equal to RHS, therefore B equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. Okay, it is a way how you can check your answer. Otherwise no need to check it. the method itself is capable to give you correct answer. C question. P divided by 7 equal to 4. P divided by 7 equal to 4. It is a simple equation. P is the variable here. You need to find out the value of P, that is a solution of the equation. But you need to separate it. P na separate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ 7 ಇಂದ. ಹೆಂಗೆ separate ಮಾಡೋದು? P divided by 7 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ both side divided by 7 ಅದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಏನು? Multiplied by 7. Don't make mistake like this. Divided by 7 ಅದ ಸರ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ -7 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಂಬರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, +7 ಇದ್ರೆ -7 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, -7 ಇದ್ರೆ +7 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 7 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 7 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 7 ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 7 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ದು ಸೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಇವನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 7 ಅದ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ we are going to take to separate the variable is to multiply both sides by 7. Multiply both sides by 7. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 7 ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You can observe 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, because 7 means it shows one only. You can cancel any denominator with any numerator with any denominator, but you can't cancel numerator denominator. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಎನಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವಿತ್ any numerator. The condition is that both must be in a multiplication. Condition ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಎರಡು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡಬರ್ಕ ಇಂಟು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So P into 1 is a P. 1 into 1 will give you 1. 4 7s are 28. P by 1 is nothing but a P only. P is equal to 28. P equal to 28 is the solution of the equation. You can just confirm it by substituting the value of a P in the equation. You just put P equal to 28 here. 28 by 7. 7 1s are 7. So 7 how much are 28? 7 4s are 28, no? So 4 LHS equal to RHS. Therefore P equal to 28 is the solution of the equation. By which method you are calculating the solution of the equation? By separating the variable. What you learnt in a previous classes? By trial and error method. There are many ways. 3 ways: trial and error method, separating the variable method, and third one I am going to teach you in next classes. That is a transposing method. Okay, all 3 methods are good enough to understand how these equations work, how operations changes whenever you move any term from LHS to RHS. It must, but best one is a transposing method, which I am going to teach you in the upcoming classes. But you must and should know what is the meaning of trial and error method, and what is the use of this separating the variable method. Both are also very important. Now, next D question. I will target the D question. x is equal to 25. It is a simple equation. You need to find out the solution of the equation. Means you need to find out the the value for x, okay, in such a way that if you put that value in place of x, LHS must be equal to RHS. Okay, it may be any value, it may be fraction, it may be a simple number, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು 4 ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 4 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. 4x means what? 4 into x. Here 25 is there. I need to separate this x from the 4. Therefore I need to remove this 4. To remove this 4 into ಅದಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 4 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ 4 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಡಿವೈಡ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 4 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಇಂಟುದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಏನು? ಡಿವೈಡ್. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ by 4. Divide both sides by 4. Okay, now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 1 ಆಯಿತು. x into 1, x 1 1 remains. Look here, 25 by 4, 25 and 4 both are not available in a single table, and there is no need to cancel also. Hardly you can convert it to a mixed fraction, that's it. Otherwise if you move forward you will get the answer in decimal. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅದು ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅದು ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಭಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 25 by 4 into mixed fraction. 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. If you remove 24 from 25, 1 remains, 1 by 4, 6 1 by 4, 6 1 by 4. Therefore x is equal to 6 1 by 4 is the solution of the equation. Is it? You can just put this 25 by 4 here, 25 by 4, 4 will get cancelled, and here 25 remains, 25 equal to 25. Therefore it is the solution of the equation. Take E1 as a homework. E1 as a homework. I will solve F1. Z by 3. Z by 3 equal to 5 by 4. It is a simple equation. LHS, RHS, one variable, equality sign. क्या number ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ನೌ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ನೌ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ Z ಓನ್ಲಿ. I need to separate this Z, but Z ಜೋಡಿ ಏನದ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಅದ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಅಂದರೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಹೌ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3 ಇಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ವಿತ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3. Therefore multiply both sides by 3. Our first step, multiply both sides by 3. Therefore Z by 3 into 3 into 3. Am I right? Now this 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Because this 3 is nothing but a 3 by 1. I can cancel this denominator with the numerator. The condition is that in between these two fractions multiplication must be there. Addition subtraction idre barudilla. So ಆಯಿತು. Here, look here. 3 means what? 3 by 1. 5 3s are 15. 4 1s are 4. Z into 1. Z 1 into 1. 1. Z by 1 is what? Z only. Therefore, Z is equal to 15 by 4. Z is equal to 15 by 4 is the solution of the equation. In a similar way, in a similar fashion, you can solve G problem. So take G1 also as a homework, because G question is very similar to the F question. And last one, H, you can take H1 also as a homework. H1, that is a 20t equal to minus 10. 20t equal to minus 10. 20t, you need to separate the t. 20 into t. So what you need to do? Divide both sides by 20. Divide both sides by 20. Quite interesting H1. You can try it in your home. If you don't understand, you can send me the photo of your solution, how you tried. If is there any mistake, I will guide you. Okay. See you again with a new main and new problems. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye.